Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just click here on your name down here. When you just click here on your name, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on settings. When you just click on settings, you come to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you just click here on notifications here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You come here to IA here coach. You come to this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's going to mean here IA coach notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.